Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me today. This is part 2 of putting together the Birthday Fancy Kit. So on Thursday, we made 4 different cards, using the gold foil polka dot card base. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And today we're going to make 4 different cards using this really light petal pink striped card base. So this card, actually you can make 12 different cards. The pictures are right here on the front of the instructions. The instructions do give you detailed instructions for 4 cards, 4 of the cards, but you can actually do 12 out of this kit and have extra pieces left over. So I am running a special from now until the end of the month. For every 10 kits that are sold, I'm going to do a drawing for a free kit. So if you purchase 2 kits, your name goes into that drawing twice. So you have a 20% chance. So I'll do a drawing for every 10 kits and send the winner a free kit. And our kits range from, I think, $10 up to, I don't know, in the 30s, but it depends on the kit. This kit makes 12 cards. It's $25. You can make 12 different cards. You get an ink spot, Lost Lagoon. You get a stamp set. You get a block. You get adhesive. We have tear and tape, glue dots, and a huge sheet of dimensionals. So you're going to have leftovers of everything with this kit, and it's super cute. I mean, my goodness, this is cute for kids, for ladies. We do, you know, it may be a little too cutesy for men, but we'll do a men's kit maybe later. So right now we're doing ladies' birthday because it's fun. All right, so I'm going to set these aside for right now. And I've already sorted out the pieces just to save a little time. So with this one, we're going to put that blue right here, and we're going to do a sentiment on this strip, and we're going to use the Let's Eat Cake. And this has this is filled with birthday sentiments, so you can stamp happiest birthday or whatever you want to put on the inside. I'm going to stamp this over on the left side. Perfect. These stamps stamp really nice. And I love that you get a free block with it too. I am collecting these blocks. I use them when I do a big class. So it's, you know, if we do 15 projects, sometimes you need a lot of blocks for those. So these come in real handy. Okay. This is going to go right on the bottom edge. And now normally I would use my seal adhesive to put this on, and I saved my tear and tape for something else, but I'm going to use what they gave me for this set of videos. All right, this one is my favorite because all the pieces are already together. All I have to do is pop it up, and they give us a ton of dimensionals for that. Just putting one on the back of each cake. And then we'll put a few small, I cut up my edges. And put a few small half pieces around there, just to keep it attached. Okay, we'll get that one off. And this is just going to kind of cover the bottom of that edge. And that's it. How cute is that? And I love the gold foil accents because it gives that glimmer. And if you wanted to add, you know, if you had some extra embellishments, you could always add that. Not a requirement though. Okay, let's do this one. One little banner piece. Let me look and see which one it is so I make sure I get it right. See what I'm doing. Okay. This is tear and tape, as I explained in the last on Thursday. Don't cut it. It does not need to be cut. It is called tear and tape. So don't cut it and get your scissors all gummy. Okay? Many of you like to cut that tape. And I think, why are you cutting the tape? Okay. I'm going to put this right here. And we have a little label, and we're going to do, where did I put my block? Right here. Sweetest birthday wishes. It's going to go on this one. I've got to put this down on my desk so I can see it. Sometimes white on white is hard to see. And we're going to pop this up as well. These card kits go together so quickly. I love it. I'm going to put it down just a little bit so we have more of that gold showing. Okay, that's card number 2 for today. How quick is that? I love these things. Okay, our third card. We are going to, this is going to go landscape. So we're going to put this long strip here. You don't really need many tools when you put it together. You need a bone folder. Mine is messy. I need to clean it. A bone folder, a pick tool, and maybe some scissors. Optional on the scissors. We don't always need that. Okay, we have this fun little label here that we're going to put on and put our little cake on it. I'm trying to decide which is the front, which is the back. I can't tell. I think this, might be the front. I am not going to pop this up. I'm going to put this one down flat because I'm going to pop my cake up. And if I'm mailing cards, I don't want to pop up really more than one layer if I can help it. Just because then it gets too thick for, what's going on? This one is partially cut here. All right, let's start over with the dimensionals. You really don't need more than one on the top and 1/2 on the bottom for each of these cakes. And this cute cake's gonna go right in the middle. That's the focal point. And then we have a little longer sentiment. We're gonna do happiest birthday on this one. Let me clean stamps. And not all of our kits come with stamps and a block. Our less expensive kits already have the sentiments pre-stamped, so it makes it even easier. You don't have to mess with stamping, but if you like stamping, many of our kits do come with, that's upside down. Many of our kits come with the stamps and blocks, and you could collect these blocks and use them for other things. So if I had several, I could just put all my sentiments on the blocks, and then I wouldn't have to keep taking them off. I could just clean them all at the end. Okay. I'm just going by our pictures, and this is going to go, I'm going to put it under. I'm going to put it under my stem of my cake stand, just like that. Isn't that cute? So easy. Okay, last card for today. I'm doing 4. This one, I'm going to use this pretty pink giant label piece. going to go right in the center, or as close as I can get it to the center. We're going to load up some cakes. This one's, I think, goes down flat. So I'm going to use glue dots. We'll do 3 glue dots. And then I just peel off the backing with my fingernail. All right, this one is going to go right here. And then we're going to pop up a pie at the base of this. All right, then we have this cake. This is a cute one with a little cloche on it. I think that's what they're called. I need a little half dimensional right there. The little glass dome. I'm going to put this one right about there. We have some macarons. These, I keep losing which which thing I'm making, which card. Macaron, and then we have a little, what is this? A little flower. Let's grab a glue dot for that. And I think this goes on our pie, just right in the corner on our pie. It looks like an apple pie. I'm going to pop this up and move it over just a hair. Right there. Okay, and then our sentiment is going to say, time to celebrate. Let's see. Time to celebrate, that's it. Okay. So pretty. I can be a little mangled. Look at that mangled sheet of dimensionals. That's probably too close to the edge. Let's see if we can scoot it over. And we're just going to put that one right there. And voila! That's our 4 cards today. That didn't take very long. 1, 2, 3, 4, plus our 4 from Thursday. Now, don't forget to check back on Monday. We're going to do our last 4 cards for this kit. And for every 10 kits sold, I am going to do a drawing for a free kit. So you don't want to miss out on that. Okay, thanks everybody for stopping by, and I will see you back here on Monday. All right, bye everyone.